We use the analog discovery. Basically, it sets up your laptop as if your laptop was an oscilloscope. An oscilloscope allows you to see what's going on inside a circuit, because one of the challenges with electrical systems is that you can't really see what's going on inside the circuit. So we use this as our eyes to see what's going on in there, and we just hook up some wires to it, and then that gets processed in this little unit, and this itself is the analog discovery. There are a couple different versions of it, and then from there it goes to the laptop, and the laptop displays the waveforms that are going on inside the circuit. It used to be an oscilloscope was a very expensive piece of equipment, $50,000 to $100,000 per unit, but now thanks to ECE we've been able to shrink it down to a small little box that students can carry in their backpack and then use their existing laptop screen to be able to see the images that come out of the unit and see what's going on inside the circuit.